Now, in this question, we've got to show that we can derive this quadratic equation from the information given here about the lengths and the fact that the total area is 95. Now, this is very often difficult, quite a common question, but the first bit is quite difficult, or maybe it's more unusual than difficult. But even if you can't do the first bit, I want to point out that you can definitely do the second bit. But the first thing is, in order to solve this quadratic, you know that you've got to either factorize or complete the square or use the formula. But hopefully by now you're realizing if it says 3 significant figures, you've got a really nasty answer. And if you've got a nasty answer, this thing's not factorizing, okay? So it's either completing the square or using the formula. Well, I've written the formula here from the front. And when you substitute your numbers, please use brackets, okay? Because your danger here is this negative 95. And if you want to avoid math error on your calculator, use brackets every time you substitute, okay? The reason there's no brackets around the 4 is because that wasn't a substitute number. I've just put brackets, open brackets, where the letters are supposed to be. Then I've put in my numbers. Now this would give me 1 method mark, okay? Notice there are only 3 marks for this. Getting these correct answers is a method mark. But to get another method mark, you really need to show, okay, that you've calculated the stuff inside the square root sign, okay? And it's not difficult. All you have to do is get your calculator and just put it so you can see it there. And do bracket 6 bracket squared minus 4 to minus, notice the brackets, yeah, it really makes a difference, 796, okay? And so I've got 796 in this. I need to make sure that I've shown that. Now you could either use your silver calculator to work out these 2 answers, or you could just put these 2 things into your answer. Okay, going back to the slightly more tricky bit, we can see that the area of this rectangle is going to be length times width, 5x. And the area of this rectangle is x times that bracket. So 2x times x is 2x squared, 1 times x is x, 2x squared plus x. And so I've added this to this. And the x's come together. I get 2x squared plus 6x equals 95. Change size, change signs, and I get minus 95. And I've proved that I get this quadratic from this information.